What is up, my YouTube friends? Wasn't planning on shooting anything today. I was actually just gonna chill at home because the forecast was saying something about a little bit of rain today. Took a nap instead. Got good sleep at work, but I came home and since I couldn't ride, I felt like going to sleep for a little bit anyway. So today, I don't have much planned to talk about. I'm out running a few errands. And you mother... Jesus. So, as I was saying, I'm out running a few errands today. First off, I'm gonna be giving some shout outs and paying some respects. Well, I shouldn't say respects, that's all like somebody's gone. I'm gonna be showing some respect to this whole motovlogger community. Just some cool things, you know, went down today with some cool people, and just a lot of things in the past that has helped me out quite a bit. So I gotta let it be known. First off, I have to go up to our high school and bring my almost adult daughter something to eat because she went to school today without enough food. And I was actually just gonna make her wait until after school, but since I wanted to go out and ride anyway, I'll go ahead and stop by and give her not bring her anything big. Peanut butter jelly sandwich is all she gets, because it's kind of her own fault, her responsibility. So it is what it is. So yesterday, while I was on my 24-hour shift, I got notified by the fam that I had some mail that I've been waiting for. After my last video, the lovely Miss Geared Raven sent me a message and said that she wanted to send me a couple stickers, even though I was not able to make my own and I don't have a logo yet. And, you know, that was the envelope I'd been keeping an eye out for. So when I got home this morning, I went and checked the envelope, and I was thinking, man, this is an awfully thick envelope. I mean, what'd she do? Write me a long old letter to go with it? Well, I opened the thing up, and as you'll see, right up here in the corner, I'll put a picture that I took earlier. She sent me a ton of stickers, just a ton, from other motovloggers that have sent her multiple stickers. She had extras, so she sent them to me. And as I had said in my motorcycle shop on my rollaway toolbox, this is where I'd put all my stickers. I want to cover that thing in just stickers from different motovloggers in different places. And so she sent me a nice little stack to, you know, start getting. I think the front is going to be pretty well covered by the time I'm done with all the stickers she sent me. I'm also trying out a suggestion from somebody, yet another motovlogger. I don't remember who it was, so I'm going to have to go back and look if I can find it. But it was on the hashtag support Facebook group. He suggested that I put a little rubber shim in my handlebar holder for my camera to see if maybe I would get at least some usable footage out of it. So if maybe the little piece of rubber would dissipate. What word am I looking for? Mitigate some of the vibration that goes through the handlebars and translates into the camera. Because basically all the footage that I was getting off the handlebar camera was totally useless because it was really vibrating everywhere. So I still have to use that camera because I had to go back to the Sena GP10 audio pack to do Bluetooth audio. Other audio I was doing I just wasn't happy with. So whether I was using the camera footage for that or not, I had to bring the camera with me anyway in order to get audio. Now I'm hoping that I'll be able to use some of this now. From looking at it, when I'm sitting still, it's picking up some pretty heavy vibration still. Moving right now, I'm looking at it, it doesn't look like it's bouncing around as bad as it used to, so it will be very nice. if that took care of it. So, trying that out. And like I said, this is just going to be a bunch of props to the motovlogging community. You know, the names I remember I'm going to throw out there. And I'm sorry if I forget somebody. I mean, you guys are all awesome. I wanted to throw out there, a lot of the stickers that Geared Raven sent me, I'd never heard of them. So I spent my morning going through all the stickers and trying to locate each and every one of those channels so I could sub to them. And while doing that, I saw that D-Cycle did a video because he got 1,000 subs, and that Beach Biker, I believe his name is, I'll double check that. Beach Biker did a campaign. He made a video for him and said, hey, let's get him up to 1,000 subs, because he was at like 900, and within a couple days he was up over 1,000. Well, I was already subbed to D-Cycle. I had never heard of Beach Rider, so because of that video I was able to find Beach Rider and sub to his channel. So what I was getting at is D-Cycle. He did a, no, well, I shouldn't say what I was getting at, because he's a cool guy too that deserves a shout out, but he did a little impromptu giveaway, which every subscriber was entered in. And he had mentioned, oh, it's not much, and there's just a few things I'm throwing in there, but, you know, the way I see it, you're doing anything cool for your subscribers and you're able to do a giveaway, it doesn't matter how much it is. But I thought it was a cool, pretty cool little packet that he was sending out. But the winner was NC Stony. Another one that I cannot say enough about. He's just a good dude that's willing to help people. So, if nothing else, out of motovlogging, I've gotten involved with just this cool little family of people that just takes care of each other, and they're cool people. Seems that none of them live anywhere near me, so it's going to be kind of hard to ever do a meetup with any of them. But I still feel like they're actual good friends. You know what, something I forgot to bring up, another just cool dude, Autotech HCO. As a matter of fact, because he sent me a package a couple of years ago. Yeah, a couple of years, I feel horrible about this. Sent me a package a couple of years ago, just some little things from Canada. It was just the coolest little package. And I have started putting one together to send back. Man, I think I started like in November or something. I was going to try and get it to him by Christmas. Well, working 2 jobs and just being out outrageously busy all the time, I still have not sent it. I haven't finished buying everything that I wanted to. There's a couple things that I have to throw in there, but like I said, I wanted it to be a lot more. So, I don't know, I just might send it up as is. I don't want him to think he's forgotten, because, you know, he's just a good dude. Then, of course, there's the ever-popular Shawn Smoke, who, between him and XXX Deadhead, I've mentioned it before, are the reason I got into motovlogging. Just from subbing to them and watching all their videos. It looked like fun. XXX Deadhead unfortunately stopped motovlogging, but I don't know if you look, he might still have his videos up. And if you don't know who Shawn Smoke is, then I don't know where you've been. So now that my little princess daughter is fed, I'm gonna head over to Mama's house once again and do a little maintenance for her. Just because her husband isn't able to do that kind of stuff anymore. If he was, he would probably be offended by anybody coming over to do the work, because he was always a very self-sufficient person that took care of everything himself and honestly knew how to do everything. But he can't do it anymore, so I go over and help out when I can. So we'll go get those couple things taken care of, and then I think I'm just going to go home. Oh, I did forget to mention something. There's going to be something else that I'll be throwing up here in this corner. Geared Raven, after she sent me all these stickers and I thanked her for them and put a little picture on the IG, she somehow made a little channel logo for me to try out. So I'm gonna throw that up in the corner. Let me, y'all let me know what you think. I think it's awesome. I love it. Man, I mean, just, it was cool of her to do that. She didn't have to do that. She didn't have to tell me, oh, I'll send you stickers. That wasn't even the reason that I made that video about stickers. I made the video to tell you guys, hey, I'm sorry, but I really can't do stickers, and I don't have a logo, which now I don't have that excuse anymore, do I? So maybe now that I have a little logo, I might be able to do some eventually. I can't do it right away. Just, tax return and finances aren't what they should have been, so it's going to be a rough few weeks, and I don't even know how much I'm going to get to ride over the next few weeks because I'll be working even more than usual. Yeah, looking forward to that. But, let me know what you think of this logo. If you don't subscribe to Geared Raven or any of the other people that I've just mentioned, you gotta go check their channels out. You're gonna like them. I think I've been talking y'all's ear off long enough, so I'm gonna go ahead and cut this one out. Rubber side down, shy side up. And until next time, Skunks out.